Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yesi, and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be playing with Beige Love Notes palette. Now this palette came out for Valentine's Day, and the shipping took very long. Very long. So I have it now and I want to play with it. So in case you don't know how the palette looks like, it looks something like this. Right here, Love Notes by Beige, and this is the palette right here. Oops. So if you're interested in seeing what I come up with, then keep on watching. Alrighty, so today I'm going to be playing with the Love Notes palette by Beige, which looks like this. It has a humongous mirror. You can see me right there. Hello. But yeah, and this is what the palette looks like right here. It has more shades than what I prefer, but it was pretty affordable. I think it was only $18, and then with shipping was $6, I believe. I've never bought anything from Beige, so this is my first time ever trying the brand and their formula. So I don't know anything about this formula. And I did order it when they launched. This was a palette for Valentine's Day, but yeah, like I said, I bought it when it launched, and OMG, it took a month for me to get the palette. And so yeah, now I want to play with the palette. I want to test it out, see how the shades perform. But yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh my god, look at the shimmer shades. How beautiful. Oh my gosh. Ooh, these are beautiful. I mean, these are some of the shimmer shades. I'm not a good swatcher at all. I'm sorry, guys. I really am not. This is why I don't swatch anything on my videos, because I'm horrible at it. But I just swatched a few of the shimmer shades to give me an idea of what I want to do. Sorry about that. But yeah, these are some of the shades right here. And I don't really care for swatches because it's so different from how they swatch and how they perform in your eye. I've seen it with many palettes that they swatch horribly, but they go on the eyes beautifully. So I don't really care, honestly, and that's why I really don't swatch things on camera. I just rather see how it performs on the eye. So I really don't know, again, what I'm going to be doing, but we'll see. All right, so so far I have my eyebrows done. I outlined them with the Brow Wiz in Ebony, and I filled them in with the duo powder from Anastasia in the shade Ebony as well. I also primed the lids with the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre, and I set them with a little bit of translucent powder. So that's all I have on the eyes right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab Morphe R37. It's just a fluffy blending brush, and I am going to go into Handkerchief, which is this bright Barbie pink right here, and I'm going to apply that to the crease. This palette has such a lovely mirror. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead. Oh wow, that's pretty pigmented and bright. That color is pretty bright and very pigmented. This color reminds me of like a bubble pink color. Really pretty. And that color was pretty easy to blend. Yeah. Alrighty, next I am going to go in with I'm gonna grab the Morphe M433, and it's a nice like flat I want to say it's a blending crease brush. But I'm gonna use this to place color on this outer part of the lid right here. So I think I'm gonna go in with Glove. So I'm gonna go in with this purple color right here, and I'm going to apply. Ooh, picked up a lot. I'm gonna grab Glove and I'm gonna add it to this part of the lid right here. Wow, that's really pigmented. And I'm gonna make sure to keep it right here. I don't wanna bring it up onto the crease. You really don't need a lot on your brush. These are really pigmented. Now I'm gonna go in with my Morphe R37, the one I used to apply like that bubblegum pink, and I'm just gonna go over this edge right here. Make sure it's a little blended. And I like to look down just so I can cover all the area. And I'm just gonna tap into the palette just a little bit because it's really pigmented. Okay, alrighty, so now I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced glitter glue, and I am going to apply it to this bare lid because we're gonna go in with the shimmers. My favorite part. Okay, now I am going to go into, I'm gonna go into Spark. I'm gonna go into Spark right here, this color, and I'm gonna apply it to the middle part of the eyelid. So right here. Okay. I wonder, okay, so it's not applying with the brush. I wonder if I need to go in with my finger. Let's try my finger. Okay, yeah, for sure. These apply better with your finger. And I'm gonna go over this Glove color, which is the purple. I'm gonna go over a little bit to blend it out. Now I'm going to go in with the color Bellini, which is this rose gold color, and I'm going to apply it to the inner part of the lid. That's really beautiful, that color. Wow, these shimmers are breathtaking. They're so pretty. And I'm gonna bring it into that purple called Spark, just to help it blend a little bit better. Rub a little bit more of that purple. So it looks like that. Alrighty, so this is what I have going on. I'm going to add a liner, lashes, finish the face, and then I'll come back with the final look and we can talk about the palette because I have some thoughts. Alrighty, I'll be right back. And I'm back. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? And this was using the palette Love Notes by Beige. So this is what the palette looks like once again, right here. So I think this look is really pretty. At least the colors that I used, they're pigmented, but I've noticed that wherever I set the color, it'll stay. Like, it'll be really hard to blend. And I noticed that with the color purple, which is called Glove. So as you can see, I applied it to this outer part and I tried to blend it out with that pink color, but you can still see the line. Like, it won't blend, it won't mesh together. But it's really, I mean, the couple of shades that I use, they're really pigmented, but that's the only thing that I've noticed, that whenever I place the color, it'll kind of stick to it and it'll be hard to blend. The shimmers that I tried are really pretty, and it did have a little bit of fallout, which again, to me, that's not a problem because I always do my eyes first, but just in case if you were wondering. The shimmers are beautiful, but these are shimmers that you're actually gonna have to use with your finger. I tried to use a brush, but it won't grab on to the shimmer as much as with your finger. Yeah, so that's the only thing with these shimmers, but they're really nice. I really like that. And so yeah, those are my thoughts. I am not sure if this palette is still available. If it is, I'll have it linked down in the description box. So yeah, I think it's really pretty. It has Love Notes, and this is raised as well. It's really pretty, and I think it'll be pretty for spring even, because it has all those pinks and purples and golds. Very appropriate for spring and summer. So I'll be using this a little bit more to really form my opinion on Beauty Bay's eyeshadow formula, but so far it's not that bad. And maybe there's a technique to it that I have to learn. So yeah, this is the look that I ended up getting from this Love Notes by Beauty Bay. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.